चाहे तुम सूरज तोड़ो चांद मरोड़ो पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो।
चाहे तुम सूरज तोड़ो चांद मरोड़ो पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो।
वो टॉफी का छिलका, वो चॉकलेट का रैपर, जो तुमने फेंका था वो रोया करता है तन्हा।
वो टॉफी का छिलका, वो चॉकलेट का रैपर, जो तुमने फेंका था वो रोया करता है तन्हा।
उसे यूं ना अकेला छोड़ो। चाहे तुम सूरज तोड़ो चांद मरोड़ो पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो। कोई लोटा लेके भागा था जंगल और पीक थूक के भागे थे अंकल।
जहाँ देखो है वही कचड़े का दलदल, ये ना बदले तो मच जाएगा दंगल।
अब है अंकल को समझाना, भारत को है स्वच्छ बनाना, मिलजुल के हमको बापू के सपनों का देश बनाना।
अब है अंकल को समझाना, भारत को है स्वच्छ बनाना, मिलजुल के हमको बापू के सपनों का देश बनाना।
चाहे तुम सूरज तोड़ो चांद मरोड़ो पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो।
आओ शौचालय बनवाएं और सबको स्वस्थ बनाएं, जो नाली साफ करेगा उसकी इज्जत भी बढ़वाएं।
आओ शौचालय बनवाएं और सबको स्वस्थ बनाएं, जो नाली साफ करेगा उसकी इज्जत भी बढ़वाए। ऐसा हर ओर महकता भारत सोचो, अब ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो। चाहे तुम सूरज तोड़ो चांद मरोड़ो पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो, पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो, पर ये अपनी आदत छोड़ो।
By now, you must have realized that every batch with it brings a pool of varied talent. And now it's your turn. You must be inspired enough to make your own band or do whatever activity you can do to show your talent so that we can show it to next batch. Now, may I request our chief guest for the ceremony, Dr. Sanjeev Chopra, for the inaugural address, please.
Thank you, Sunita. Special Directors Manoj and Aarti Ahuja, Controller of Examinations P. Amudha, my very distinguished course team led by Niranjan Sudhanshu, Sridhar, Mansoor, who's sitting right there in the front row today, Nandini, who's lost her voice today, but I assure you that for the rest of the course, she'll be in full form, Manoj Nair, Vidya, and of course, Sunita. First of all, let me compliment the choir today for putting up a lovely academy song. This is, in recent times, one of the finest attempts, and full marks to Alankita for having led them to this perfection. Friends, at the very outset, let me congratulate all of you on your sterling success in the Civil Services examination. This is indeed the toughest and the most challenging examinations in the world, and it gets tougher with every passing year. Because not only do the number of aspirants grow, you now have competitive coaching institutions to which all of you have access And sometimes when you read the Times of India or the Indian Express or the Hindu, you think that the biggest industry in the country is preparing people for the civil services. And the number of attempts has also risen. Therefore, it's certainly more challenging than it was in our times. And I would like to also tell you that this is one of the finest services that you could have joined, because I'm very confident and proud about the future of the government services. And I believe that there is no parallel to the myriad opportunities that you will get. You are now part of the steel frame. A steel frame is a structure which defies both rust and dust, and which gains strength from the expectations of our key stakeholders, and also our own zeal and dedication in fulfilling the constitutional mandate that has been entrusted to us by our founding fathers. And I'm very glad that today you will